Hey Bill. Second cast. Going for a swim. Righto. Yeah. You're alright. That's what you do for a $35 lure. Never leave a man in the field. You gotta swim out and get them. Oh. Whew, 5X. There we go, Bill's going to wind it back in for me. Oh, he's on. Anyway, start to an Arvo mission out on the bass. Let's see how we go. Try and stay dry from here on in. Let's go get some. Oh my god, look at the size of that.
Oh, he's got two mates following him, three mates following him, right behind him.
Oh yeah, right on his tail. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's heaps of them. Look at that. There's like, come on, there's like six.
Come on. Oh.
He choked that. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
He wanted it.
Right down his throat.
Right down.
Yep. Hasn't even played up yet. Oh, that's proper. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Look at the size of that. Be you reckon? Arvo session on the bass.
Yeah, not
This
bad.
one's probably not going pretty close to the 50 mark. He's a pretty broad fella. And he smashed that Imakatsu Alive Chatter. So it's my go-to lure, I don't think. I tied a different lure on for about 10 minutes there and then put this one straight back on. I just can't really beat it. Dinner bell for like 20 meters. Yeah.
Not a bad one. Not a bad one. I think it's the size of the old. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's drifting.
Oh, it's just a little weed bed there, I can see it. Yeah, you're right. Got him.
I'll take him over now. Come here.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. He's cool. Whoa. Good jobs. Skidoosh.
Bit of payback time while I release this little guy. Bilbo's going for a swim.
Meanwhile.
As mentioned before, the Imakatsu Alive Chatter. This thing is just ridiculous. Doesn't matter where I fish with it, what regions or rivers and that. Always seem to fish really well and get good bass on it, big and small. Had a ball today out with Bilbo and got plenty of good bass, and then yeah, just a 50, well, estimated 50. And then they finish off the day, and then one more little one, so we'll make our trek back to the car now. See you when we get there. Oh well, we're back at the car. Couldn't resist one more cast. Another feisty little bass on the Chatter Alive. Bill's just having another little topwater prospect down there. Hopefully we'll pick up one more and then we'll head home. Sick day on the water.